Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Study with Khalil Rahman. Today our topic is most important MCQs of computer. Now we start MCQs number 1. Who is called is the father of computer? Sir Charles Babbage. Second our MCQs, the first digital computer introduced was named as Mark 1. How many generations computer can be classified? 5. First generation computer contained vacuum tubes. MCQs number 5, second generation computers are made of transistors. MCQs number 6, fourth generation computer contains LSI. Fifth generation of computers are based on the artificial intelligence. MCQs number 8, computers combine both measuring and counting are called hybrid. MCQs number 9, in world today the most of computers are digital. MCQs number 10, in world today most of the computers are digital. MCQs number 10, in any computer installations how many elements consist? 3. MCQs number 11, physical structure of computer is hardware. MCQs number 12, CPU stands for central processing unit. MCQs number 13, in which type of computer data are represented as discrete signals is called digital computer. MCQs number 14, which of the following is available in form of PC, now a microcomputer? MCQs number 15, Param is example of supercomputer. MCQs number 16, who developed the analytical engine? Charles Babbage. MCQs number 17, GUI stands for graphical user interface. MCQs number 18, the time taken by CPU to retrieve and interpret the instructions to be executed in called as instruction cycle. MCQs number 19, which of the following is responsible for all type of calculations? ALU, arithmetic logic unit. MCQs number 20, which of the following is a permanent memory? ROM, random read only memory. MCQs number 20, the metal or a plastic case holds all physical parts of computer is the system unit. MCQs number 22, the CD-ROM stands for compact disk read only memory. ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. MCQs number 24, VGA stands for video graphic array. 2501 is the second generation of computer. 26 MCQs, MSI stands for medium scale integrated circuits. 27 MCQs, WAN stands for wide area network. 28 MCQs, MICR stands for magnetic ink character reader. 29 MCQs, 1 byte consists of 8 bits. 30 MCQs, which of the following is a way to access a secondary memory is a random access memory, RAM. 31 MCQs, UNIVAC stands for universal automatic computer. 32 MCQs, the main brain of any computer system is CPU, central processing unit. 33 MCQs, to range capacity of magnetic disk depends upon the disk pack in disk surface. 34 MCQs, the two kinds of main memory are ROM and RAM, random read only memory and random access memory. 35 MCQs, a storage area used to store data to compensate for a difference in speed at which the different unit can handle data as buffer. 36 MCQs, computer is a free from tiresome and boredom, we call it diligence. 37 MCQs, which type of computer use the 8-bit code called EBCDIC, mainframe computer? The ALU of computer depends response to a command coming from control sections. 13 MCQs, the chief component of first generation computer was vacuum tubes and wells. 40 MCQs, to produce high quality graphics hard copy in color you would want to use a plotter. 41 MCQs, 1 milliseconds is a hundredth of seconds. The output quality of printer is made by dot per inch. 43 MCQs. Which of the following was a special purpose computer ABC? Which of the following storage device can store maximum amount of data as hard disk? 45 MCQs. Which computer was considered the first electronic computer unit until 1973 when court invalidated the patent in IBA? 46 MCQs. A physical connection between microprocessor memory and the other parts of microcomputer is known as the address bus. 47 MCQs. High density double sided floppy disk could store of data as 44 MB. 48 MCQs. A high quality CAD system uses the following for printing, drawing and graphics with digital plotter. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.